Hi everyone, it's Rosemary with Leon Valley Library. Hope everyone is staying safe, healthy, and wearing masks and washing your hands. Today I bring you the Clover. But you can use anything that you have at home. You can use your hand, you can use a flower, whatever you have at home. Cut 4 strips of paper just like this. Hope everyone can see. Then we're going to fold back and just like accordion. Very simple little craft, so much fun. See, there you go. So you're gonna cut 4 pieces of paper and make it into an accordion for the legs and the arms, and just have fun with it. After you do your homework, I know you guys are still doing schoolwork. But soon we'll be open and you can come see us. It was good to see Rebecca Nicholson this morning. And Kent. I miss Malia. Hope you're doing well, Malia. Hope to see you soon. And we're gonna glue eyes just like that. Post your picture so I can see what you guys are doing, or anything that you have. Maybe you have something that you think I should do, and post it and I'll do it. Just any ideas that you have, and you're going to glue his legs. I think they're legs. Are they, Sherry? If you have an idea, post it, and I will do it. And then I'll post mine. And then the feet. Now his arms. Anything you have at home. Construction paper, computer paper. Make it any color you want. It doesn't have to be white. And here you have it. Oops, wrong way, guys. There you go. Have fun with it and post your pictures. And like I said before, if you have a craft idea that you would like for me to make, just post your ideas and I will try and do it. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. See you soon.